y'all, it is about midnight here, and guess where I'm at? Welcome to Dubai. First off, I'm out of breath because I just had to pick up the heavy luggage. Second off, I'm hungry. I hope they have something open around midnight or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna vlog more when I get outside and when we get to the room and stuff like that. So, talk to you later. Hey, we at the gas station.
Can you get 70?
Over here, they actually
70.
pump your gas for you, and you don't have to pay them.
70.
See them? You just pull up basically, and they pump. I would love that, honestly, because I hate pumping gas. You see?
No, they pump the gas for you. Here, this is the Dubai Mall.
This is the world's tallest building. Okay, y'all, it is 2:47 a.m. on Saturday, which is about probably like 5-something Friday on the East Coast of the United States. And it's something interesting. They have like little barbecues on the side of the highway in the middle of the night. Like, let me see if I can come up on one. You will see them with cars parked and stuff on the side of the highway. Like, look like they sitting in front of like a campfire or something, but I guess they just chilling with their friends in the middle of the night. Like, it's crazy. This is how they do the barbecues. You see them up there with a light, and they have like their friends and stuff. You see up there? Mind you, we are on the highway. And this is like literally the side of the highway. But I'm like, hey, they lit though, so you know, I wanna go. I want an invitation. Tables and stuff.
Yeah, that was good. They got lights and shit.
They not wasting their Friday night. Okay, seize every moment. Isn't this cute? My friend turning 30. We having a party. Ooh. Hey y'all, this is Saturday, like just a little bit before noon, and we are headed out to go to Dubai so we can do some shopping, get a habaya, trying to get some souvenirs for a few people, and yeah. Anyway, oh yeah, we gotta stop by the liquor store so we can get a bottle. We can turn up later on, and I'll take you guys with me. Hey y'all, so I'm outside where my friend lives, and I'm gonna show y'all where she says it's gonna be like the government assisted housing projects across from her. Look how nice they look. And she said you have to be a citizen to be able to live there. Look at that. Can you see that? Let me see. It's like gold gates and stuff over here, so they treat they people very nice. You can't even live in them unless you like a citizen, like you born in Dubai. So in a grocery store, they have a completely closed off area for pork because you know the Muslims don't eat the pork. And some funny things is I saw all type of Pop-Tarts and stuff like that in the pork room, and I had no idea that they contain pork. Ask him. So we are out. Yep, we are out. What's the name of this place, guys?
Gold Souk.
At the Gold Souk, shopping, looking for habayas, fedoras, scarves, whatever type of stuff that we can get out here. I'm turn around so y'all can see. No, I ain't going there. Y'all ain't finna trick me. Y'all ain't about to trick me. No, sir. No.
We gotta go to the mosque, right?
You the side piece?
Second boyfriend.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No married, just a boyfriend.
Oh, are you married?
Drink
Water?
No,
No, we about to go.
No, you drink, no problem.
Okay. It's for free. So that's you the Dubai boyfriend.
Dubai boyfriend.
Okay. When is she coming back though?
Then coming
Give us water.
What does she bring her boyfriend with her?
March.
She gonna bring her boyfriend with her?
There in US.
Oh, he gonna stay in the US?
Yeah.
Oh!
You can't come over here with her?
No, cause
He's coming with his boyfriend.
huh?
He's coming with.
Can she bring her Texas boyfriend here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what you
Then go. Then
right.
Y'all gonna go on a date, all three of y'all?
no.
Oh. That is nice. Today's on a cruise ship.
Dang, I just got it. That was a Ferrari. Y'all seen that? Are at Ski Dubai and I'm about to go tubing. You can just take a look. It's about 4 degrees in here. It's freezing cold. So I ain't really trying to stay here that long, but it's an experience. I never even missed skiing before. But we're gonna go tubing down the slope and it's gonna kind of look like this. Oh, I can't see the kids. See how to go down there? Yeah. That was fun. Tonight we stayed in Abu Dhabi and this is just us taking shots before we head to the club. Controller, hey, like controller, hey, hey, hey. I came to the club like. Okay guys, we are on the way to the Grand Mosque. And it's literally like right across the street from where we were staying last night. I'm gonna post some pictures of the outside and my attire. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2.